I need to test the process of assembly and the gluing procedure. That worries me a lot with all these pieces and how I can put this together. I'm going to say here's the front rail, and I'm going to say those are glued. I've just painted them with glue. Then the end pieces can be glued. This is not a hot glue process. This has got to be this is going to be slow drying kind of thing. So now I've got to get these in here. I can glue these tie bars in here. So I go like that. And they're just socketed in, mortise and tin. Now I can glue this, put the glue on these joints together, put this together, and hopefully get this to sit down on top of what I've got. Where can I start this process? Okay, there it started there. Now I got to get these things positioned, and I see I'm going to need help with this. There's going to be more hands needed to do this. I can't see where that goes in, and I can't hold it and see where that goes. So that's a problem here with one person trying to get this together. I need somebody to hold this and aim those pieces in there. Now, not that really close. Those are all in place. And what I'm going to do now is turn this upside down, and I got some dovetail tie bars that got to go in here. So the tie bars go, I think, maybe not. That's the front, and that one's going in okay. This one is, oh, wait a minute. This is backwards. That goes there. This goes here. Now those are dovetailed together. Now, can I get the stretcher assembled to go? And that's got to go like this. And I don't know. Let me just turn it anyway here and try to see if I can get this notched in to the legs. Wow. Okay. That goes there. That goes there. That goes there. That goes there. Okay, so I can get that in. And that's fixed. Then these bars and tenons down here are not together yet. So I would need to probably pull those together with clamps, and then I would install all of these. These are all numbered. And you push it into the leg and then down. Push it into the leg, then down. That is not right. This is not together very well. So this goes like this, push into the leg, then down. And you can see how this goes. I'll need to do all those now. Now this thing, okay, pull that up. Yeah, that's so. This could be now clamped up and turned over. Oops, well, one of my tie bars here. And then, of course, there's all these pegs. They gotta go into these joints. So all these joints will have to come together. What just fell out? Oh yeah, I see. So these there it went together. So I think that's the procedure I gotta use. And with some helper, I think I can get it together fast enough with the glue.